Okay, so we have an Oreck Buster B in here. The customer brought it in for routine maintenance. This is going to be pretty simple. These machines are pretty basic design, and maintenance is really easy on these. They're basically a shoebox. You've got a motor back here, and then you have your high filtration bag compartment here. One thing to note on these Oreck Buster B machines is the hoses go bad pretty frequently. They'll tear. That's pretty common, and replacement hoses are available. I'll link below for that. We're gonna open up the bag here. Got a little twisty thingy. We are gonna replace the bag. This bag looks to be full of pretty fine powder actually, which is not great. I like the reason they brought it in for service. I'm gonna take it out back real quick. I'm gonna take the air compressor. I'm gonna blow out all of the debris in here, and then we're gonna polish it up, and that's pretty much all there is to it. So we blew out the Buster B. It does have a little filter in here which goes behind the bag. I don't know that these are available for purchase anymore, but they're a pretty generic material. When you bring the Oreck handhelds into our store looking for a filter, we have a material we'll just cut out a square for you to replace it if need be.